Hello guys, good morning. Good morning. It's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with a pretty good day actually with AAL. So I got stopped out on the first trade I have. Could have been a really good profit if I didn't get stopped in here, like all the way to here. That was my target. That's why I was just taking small partials in here, and then when I saw that it's kind of having a hard time breaking 35, I took let's see, I took probably, I was just taking 10% partials here and 125 here, 125, because it was just not breaking here. And then this, I gave back a little bit of my profit, so I wasn't really happy about it. And then I said no, I'm not gonna chase it because I know it's gonna break this 35 again. And I said, what's this? This is only like a 20-cent move, so I'm not really going to chase it. Let's see if it goes to 11 or something, or 11.15, but there's like a gap here. And looking at the daily candle, it looked like it's not gonna go to 11.70. That's why I took it long here, because of this support from daily levels. So I was just closely watching level 2 and reading if the price is ascending, and then I'm just gonna risk somewhere at 11.15. Yeah, it worked all the way back to VWAP, and then added, and yeah, I was hoping it'd go 11.70 or 11.67 at least, or 65 in this level yellow lines that I draw, but yeah, it didn't really work. And then I took all out here. My average cost was somewhere at 35, but took everything off in here. So yeah, let's just watch my trade. And I was actually watching what's this, CCL, but it kind of like, I was close to taking it short here. I was really close. Once it broke the yellow line that I did the previous day close, I was really close to taking it short. Look what happened. That was a really good move. But yeah, it's just FOMO, and I did not like, could have been a really nice short compared to AAL. As you can see, AAL pulled back a bit. Oh man, I got stopped. I was actually thinking of adding here, somewhere here at 63. I just didn't have the guts to add because I was close to stopping out at 67. 67 is probably where I want to get stopped, or 70 area. So just right in the middle of that candle, of the first minute candle. So not Dow. I did not watch Dow. I watched CCL. Yeah, so and then see what happened to CCL, and then it also reversed. Yeah, so could have been nice profit to all the daily levels. And Twitter. Actually, Twitter was my number one in my list, but Twitter gapped down, and there's like a huge volume, and I have this yellow line here, 31.25. I was actually hoping for it to reach here, and if it rejects it here, I'm probably gonna take it long somewhere at 31.50. But it didn't do what I expected. I just 31.30. That's like a 30-cent move. Could have been a good nice long in here, like what I normally do, right? But the stock is gapped down. It's kind of hard for me to take long, so I was like, maybe it's not gonna work. And then the spread earlier was crazy. So this could have been like the perfect trade. It's just, yeah, as you can see here in my record, Twitter is in my main list. Yeah, right. So yeah, let's watch. I was actually hoping for a rejection at 31.25 and maybe take it long at 31.50. I forgot that there's like a round number in here. So there's like a sell-off. So normally when there's sell-off, it's going to continue to break the low because it's below VWAP. The way I trade my strategy is I don't normally trade against it. So taking it long will be hard for me. So I thought it won't break because it's just hovering around below VWAP. But there's like a 31.50 in here. There you go. And because of that, I just missed it, and I said maybe it's gonna, no, I didn't, maybe it's gonna hold and not break 31.77. But yeah, so after that, I just I didn't want to chase it, because normally when I chase, I get emotional. I don't know what to do, but I took it long because of this 1150. I took it long, and I took it short because of that 1150 order. That's like a huge order in there. So I moved my stop at 1170. I was thinking of adding here actually 1164, but just can't do it because I thought it's like, since pi is also dropping, I should have added in there, but I just can't do it. So waiting for 1150. If it breaks 1150, then I'm in a good position. 1140, there you go. Next will be 1140. These are just very small partial. Don't mind the commission fees, so that's a good money in there. It's not breaking 35. Let's see 35. Where's 35? Yeah, it showed up, and then now it's back to 40. It's just not, yeah. So I was too late, and there's still a bit of money in there that I left. So I wasn't really happy with what I did, and I got stopped in just a cent. Kind of just held. Yeah, it happens, and I was telling myself, please watch this and don't overtrade. You've been here, you made mistakes, and just watch it. See where the price goes. If it holds this price, then maybe it's a good long. But we never know. And then you don't want to take it short here because it's too far from VWAP. If I want to take it short, maybe we're somewhere at 1160 or 1158 if it rejects the VWAP. So I was having a hard time watching this stock earlier, and I said now I'm looking at looking at the daily candle. It looks like it's gonna go around 28 area, or yeah, that's what I was expecting, 28 area. That's like 2 days ago high, and I said if it holds this price, there's like 3 daily levels in here. If it holds this price, maybe now it's gonna bounce, because I thought the stock is strong. And the reason why, okay, let's see. So you got rejected in there. The reason why is, I'll show you. Go back. Maybe let's just watch this first. Why I took it long. So it's hovering around here. Right. So I was closely watching 1130 and 1115. So that's like a 15-cent move, right? So I was closely watching 22 or 30, and I just, maybe I'll risk somewhere at 22. So the reason why I took it is, I'll show you. The reason why I took it long, that's around 940-ish. The reason why I took it long is because of SPY here. So yeah, so that around that area, there's in SPY, there's like a previous day close. 303.53. So that's like a previous day close. And I said normally in a previous day close, stock holds and it's a bit too far from VWAP. It's gonna hold this price. It's probably bounce back from VWAP, and yeah, so it's probably also a good risk reward for a reversal, because you can probably risk just somewhere at 11.15. So that's not a lot, right? So 15-cent move. So yeah, so that's what I did, right? So and then there's like daily levels here plus pi previous day close. It's kind of dangerous, but you should know where to stop. That's the only key. If you don't know where to stop, if you don't know risk reward, then you shouldn't take that trade, right? So let's go back to my AAL to get long in there. This will take a bit of time, so it took a little bit in there. I just want to take some, like a big portion, 45 or 50 round numbers. I don't like taking partials at 33, or like I prefer taking at 30, 35, 40. Okay, there you go. I'm trying to hold. These are just small partials. Probably took some off in there, like 25%. So my new partials now are 10% and 25%. So it's just playing around with new styles, since I'm kind of know what's my strategy now. So I'm kind of slowly adding new style of taking profit. And yeah, let's see what happens here. So like the price I was watching is around 1150 and 1135, this range. So I'm kind of trading around this range. See that range? So I'll only take profit in here. I'll only add in here. Don't trade somewhere in the middle if you're stuck in a trade. That's why I added there, and I will just stop out at 35. There you go. I have an order at 55. It's probably not going in there. Normally, this is a new trick I have. I have an order there. If it doesn't hit, like if it goes right to 1154, I'll just release it, and then it will just hit my order. I don't know. Like it's I just like it, so I don't miss the big move. I think that's what I did here. So now it's going to 1155. Look what happened. Yeah. So got filled at 54, I think, not in 55. So it's just when I see a bit of reversal, I'll just release it, and I'll get filled. It's like when taking profit in limit orders. Like you don't want to get all out, right? You just want to send an order there and then pull it down here somewhere and release your mouse. Like release your right click mouse, because you have to drag it somewhere here. Like look what I did here. I think I normally release, like pull it down here, and I think I did it here too. Yeah, see, I pulled it down. I'll put it at 65, pull it down and see where the price goes. Now it's 60, and then released it because 60 was my target. But sometimes you don't want to get, you want to get filled in a higher price, so I add 5 cents away, and then you get a better feel. Cool, right? I don't know if you understand that, but if you understood that, but that's now how I take profit when I'm waiting for a price. Yeah, so yeah, I'm almost all out in this trade, so I'm probably thinking of just taking all out at 1140 or somewhere. Yeah, my average cost is 35 because this was an ad. Yeah, it's not a bad day, but I was really hoping for 1170. Let's fast forward this. Yeah, so I got stopped. Yeah, so that's about it. So if you like this video, please, if you can, hit subscribe. If you have any questions, just comment down below, or I don't know, if you want me to do something or just suggestions or anything, just comment down below and I'll see if I have time to address it. Right? So have a good day, everyone. Peace, yo.